Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day or day of choice. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I really appreciate it. Today we've got a new palette that is got some mixed reviews. Don't mind my eyebrows. They're a little crazy today. It's okay. I'm not going anywhere, but I'm just acknowledging my eyebrows are extremely bold today. So hopefully this palette will help take the edge off. It is the Pumpkin Spice Second Slice from Too Faced, and it is a beautiful palette. It is very fall, and it smells like pumpkin pie. It does. It smells just like pumpkin pie, but not like in an overtly so strong way that you're like, ooh, pumpkin pie, fake pumpkin pie. It just has a nice light scent. But I've got some swatches for you. I didn't swatch the entire palette, but I swatched most of the palette. So if you're ready for that, let's have some magic swatches. Bam! There's a bonus swatch. I was running out of room. And it swatched okay, not great. Some things don't really show up that well. I'm hoping, because I've been swatching and using some palettes lately that are just amazing and have great swatches. And that looks okay on the camera, but when I was swatching them, it just seemed like a little lackluster. But this is my first pumpkin pie palette. I slept on the first one, but I'm ready to do a beautiful warm neutral look with this palette, and it's got pie names, of course, like Whip It Good, Sip Sip Hooray, Crust Issues, Cutie Pie, Pick of the Patch, One More Bite, Everything Nice, Second Helping, Fall Feels. Ooh, that's pretty. Who knows which way we'll go with this palette. It's all for fun and games, they said. It's all for the good of the country. Let's start with Sip Sip Hooray. This nice, ooh, look at that. That shows up great on the brush. Oh, it's showing up on the eye too. Let's put that in the crease. That is much more pigmented than I expected. That has a lot more to it than I was planning on. And I just did one dip and it is going crazy. So let's go crazy over here too. I did not expect that. Look how light that is, and look how dark it is up here. I'm gonna have to take a tissue and simmer this down because it's just too much. It's entirely too much. That's much better. Much better. Much better. So anyway, I love pumpkin pie. I love Halloween. I love fall. I love it all. So this palette is really beautiful. I'm going to go into Sinful. That is also really pigmented. It works better on brushes than with your finger. And it's spelled like C-I-N-N, like cinnamon. I was not expecting all this. And it's kind of a shimmer. It is serving up some powerful, this palette is acting much better on a brush than it was with my fingers. So that's cool. We like that. I'm going to blend this out some It just seems so incredibly powerful. Just want to soften it up. And it's really making my eyes pop. Making the green show up really nicely. Damn, this is a look. This is already a look. I've been making some dark looks this week. Not very much kick up in the pan either. I'm gonna go into second helping here, this orange. See if I can't pack in some, like a nude color. Look at that. That looks vibrant. That perks it up quite a bit. Oh no, I hear a cat puking. Oh, it's the danger of having cats, they puke. Someone just yarked. Sorry if that makes you sick to your stomach to hear that. But I just heard it. You get the play-by-play with me. You know, what's happening all the time. I'm going to go into Whip It Good with my fingertip. I'm going to go in there pretty heavy. And put that on the inner corner. That's pretty. This is definitely fall vibes. You know, I was really skeptical about this palette. But now I have to say I'm impressed. I really am surprised with how pigmented it is. Let's just blend this all together. And it looks great. I'm shocked. I'm shocked and awed. Let me do some liner and mascara and I'll be right back. And voila, we are back with the liner and mascara. And the mascara is the Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara, and I really like it a lot. And then the eyeliner is Il Makiage Waterproof, which is one I got in a box and I just really adore. And we're going to go into a lip. It's a dark chocolatey warm fall lip with Maneater from Gerard Cosmetics. It's kind of like a robust kind of reddy brown. Oh, it's very dark. That looks really beautiful. I'm gonna blow up my lips. That looks great with this. And Gerard Cosmetics makes a great lip formula. Absolutely. So we've got a gorgeous look here with the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice Second Slice palette. I'm so glad I tried it. I hope you have a great day. I definitely think that this is much better on a brush than it is with a swatch. So thumbs up. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.